In today's video, I'll show you how to resize images for Etsy using Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips. First, make sure you're logged into Canva Pro, as the resize tool is only available with a Pro account. Open the design you want to adjust and click the resize button at the top of the toolbar. Choose custom size and enter Etsy's recommended dimensions: 3000 pixels wide by 20 to 50 pixels tall. Click size design and Canva will automatically adjust your layout while keeping everything sharp and visually balanced. After resizing, quickly review your design. Sometimes small tweaks are needed to make text or images fit perfectly. And that's it. Your Etsy images are now perfectly sized, professional, and ready to attract more buyers. Thanks for watching. Keep designing and watch your Etsy shop shine.